Video number 12 this is. A very unique, powerful video series I have started here. If you haven't watched previous videos, video number 1 to 11, don't miss that. Now this video, today's video is all about constructing proper sentences without studying grammar rules. Now understand one thing friends, I know most of you have this problem. The major problem you have is, sir, I can't construct grammatically correct sentences. Well, in this video I'm going to tell you how to develop this sentence structures in your head, but without studying any grammar rules. Yes, I know, you can't believe, because in our school we have been taught that to construct proper sentences, learn all the grammar rules, by heart them, and then you can construct. This is analysis of a language, and by doing analysis there will be paralysis but no results. This is what actually it happens. So watch this video. I'll tell you how to develop this grammatically correct sentences without touching any grammar book. Stay till the end. I'm sure you will be happy watching this video. Guys, in the previous video number 11, I told you about the lifestyle changes. And I also told you about what kind of psychology you need while reading. Reading is a very powerful tool to develop your vocabulary and to develop your sentence, that is language. Don't call grammar, call language. In that video, I told about what mindset you need, what thought process you need if you want to acquire this new habit, this new lifestyle of reading. Having said this, let me tell you here that after following my tips, in 1 month and 2 months, change will not be there, because this is a lifestyle change, and a lifestyle change takes a lot of time to give you results. Is that clear with you? Let us move forward now. Now see here. First of all, to construct proper sentences, you have to read those sentences. I mean, what I want to say is, if you want to speak easy English, look at my English. I'm not using any difficult words. Many people comment me that my English is very easy, so they understand my videos and they like my videos. I mean, that's true, because there is no point in constructing proper difficult sentences instead of proper sentences. Language must be made easy. Only then you can connect with the audience. Now you have to read that where such a kind of sentences appear. Such kind of English conversation is in the written format. Only then you will be able to develop those sentences. So first of all, do one thing, find that material where everyday conversations are written in the written format. And where are those? In storybooks. In storybooks. Now don't ask me which name. Any storybook is good, is helpful. Well, I will tell like around a storybook which is easy to understand and where there are not difficult words. We don't need to refer a dictionary. If you are referring a dictionary 3 and 4 and 5 times, then we don't need this. Remember, we are constructing sentences. To develop vocabulary, there is another video which I am going to make after this video, video number 13. This is video number 12. Okay, now let us take this example. For example, in this story, you can see that there are simple sentences. Alright, now read these sentences. Okay, of course you should be able to read, okay, and most of you can read, I know that, otherwise you would not have continued till now. Okay, read these sentences, understand these sentences, and understand in which situation these sentences are being used. In which situation. Once you understand the situation, once you understand the story, once you understand what that character is trying to tell another character, understanding develops your language. Once you understand how the sentence is constructed, you develop that sentence structure. You understand. And one more thing now only reading is not sufficient. Reading multiple times is more important. Why? Because in our brain, repetition is very important. The more, see, you developed your Hindi or Kannada or whatever your regional language is, it is because of repetition of that language again and again and again. Once you repeat the same sentence and understand that situation in which the sentence is used, your brain will understand and form correct sentences. It works, the mechanism is there inside your brain. Again, let me tell you, this magic will not happen in 1 or 2 months. For some students, it will take 4, 6, 10, 12, it depends upon your weaknesses. If your English is very weak, if you have neglected your English, it will take more time. It's like a disease, the more the chronic disease, the more time it will take to heal. So guys, in this way, you have to keep on reading. Okay. Now, understand one thing. Where are the books? I'm not going to tell you any name of a particular storybook. Go with any easy storybook. Any easy book where everyday conversational English is used. Got my point? And one more tip I want to give you. Read these storybooks out loudly for 10 to 15 minutes. See here, this is our mouth muscles are there. These mouth muscles are not toned for English because we have been speaking our regional language since many years and now we want to speak in English. Therefore, our tongue, our mouth muscles, they are not flexible. They are stiff. They are not ready to speak in English. So get your body also ready. You have to train your body as well. So read these sentences loudly around 15 to 20 minutes every day and continue doing this for next 2 to 3 months. And then you will realize that your tongue is now flexible. It is moving according to the way it should for English. Because the way tongue moves in Hindi and in English is different. देखिए अभी मैं हिंदी में बात कर रहा हूँ. Now I'm speaking in English. In these 2 sentences, the movement of my tongue inside my mouth is completely different. So all of you got it? So in a nutshell, in summary, what I want to tell is this. Select an easy storybook where everyday conversational English is written. Number 2, read them silently and read them repeatedly. Number 3, have patience. It will take a lot of time to develop the sentence pattern. Number 4 is also equally important. Have patience and repeat it again and again and again. Have patience and repeat it again and again and again. One more point I want to tell you, by only doing this, you will not get the results. There are other habits, there are other lifestyle changes which you have to do, which I will tell you as we move forward further. Thanks a lot for your love. Everyone is telling me, all the comments I see, I really get motivated. When you write there that, sir, my videos are helping. Sir, I'm getting better. Sir, now I'm not touching any grammar. Now I have overcome my phobia. Oh, wow. I'm so happy for this. Thanks a lot for the love and the respect you have bestowed on me. This is what a teacher is craving for. I love this. Alright friends, thanks a lot for watching my video till end. At the beginning, I had promised you that this is a helpful video and you will be happy after watching this video. If you like the video, leave a like. Want to share the video? You can share. But I know that you will only subscribe if you feel my content in this channel is good. If you feel the content is good, subscribe. Otherwise, again watch some videos, my videos, and then if you feel now this is a good channel, authentic channel, then subscribe. Bye bye friends. Thank you.